Hey guys, I just got out of class right now, and yeah, I'm sitting in my car and I got a package today. So I figured I'd do a quick unboxing for you guys in my car. Here we go. Alright, this is what I got. iPad camera connection kit. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. I already sliced it back here, so it's easy to open with one hand. Alright, first of all, here it looks like here's the SD card one. Here's USB. Throw that to the side. And here's just documentation. So I'm going to be doing a review on this. Be up on the channel fairly quick. Just give you guys a little preview. And as always, subscribe, comment, and give a thumbs up.